channel Spykar. Finally friends, I'm back with another speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus Oneplus Nord 2 device. So this is a speed test and RAM management which I'm trying to do after the recent software update. Yes friends, just today only I did receive the September security patch update, and couple of days back I did receive the September security patch update in the Oneplus Nord 2 as well. But let's see, after the recent updates, how is the speeds between both phones and how is the RAM management between these both devices. That's what my main idea of testing this kind of demonstration. So first, you should know that I'm connecting to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. Let me show you the Wi-Fi network. So in both phones, let's go to the Wi-Fi and enable the Wi-Fi network. And as you can clearly see friends, both phones are connected to the 2.4 GHz, 2.4 GHz, perfectly all right. So I did clear everything from the background, so no apps are running in the background at this moment. And let's see which phone can actually open these applications and these games faster, and which phone can actually store them in the background RAM management. And during this process, I'm not using any kind of high performance mode. Nothing is used during this process of demonstration. As you can clearly see, no high performance mode. So without using high performance mode, let's try to see which phone can actually open these games and applications fast. So now let me just start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome 1, 2, and 3. So next is Amazon application, and the OnePlus Nord 2 is taking some time. I'm not sure why it's taking the Amazon application some time to load. So let me need to close and start again. Let's see what is going on in the Amazon application. I'm not sure because this is my first time facing this kind of issue in the Amazon application. Before I did not face this kind of issues. Let's go to the mobiles and keep something in the background. Maybe this phone in the background. Next is a Flipkart. So Flipkart also, let me need to keep some mobile phones in the background. And is a touch sampling rate application. I'm trying to keep these lines also in the background. Let's see whether those lines will be staying in the background or not. And is some other games which I thought of keeping in the background as well. And next is a Battlegrounds mobile game. So without using any kind of high performance mode, just using only the gain space and game center in this phone. So using this kind of techniques, let's see which phone can actually open the Battlegrounds mobile game fast. So this is after the recent update only. So no high performance mode. If you use high performance mode, the results will be completely different. But let's see with using and without using high performance mode, how much difference it actually makes. First phone to open is the OnePlus Nord 2, and the Realme X1 Max took some time to load the home screen. Yes, little bit kind of time. Next is a Subway Surf. So I did include the one Battlegrounds mobile game, and rest of the games are slightly kind of small games only. It's not a major games at this moment. And Temple Run. So let's see the Temple Run, how it's loading. I think both phones are loading at same speed, the Temple Run as well. So nothing much major difference in terms of the speeds in the Temple Run. And let's see what happens with the next is a Candy Crush. So Candy Crush came, both phones are completely same. Next is Angry Birds 2. So Angry Birds 2 slightly, the OnePlus Nord 2 is opening a little bit faster. So this is after the recent update only. I'm trying to do this kind of speed test friends. So because I'm waiting for this updates for a really long time. And first phone to open is the Realme X1 Max, and then the OnePlus Nord 2. You can clearly see the difference. So in terms of the speed test, both phones are slightly kind of close to each other, nothing much huge difference, but the difference can be there in the RAM management. Just to check which phone can actually keep this many games and this many applications in the background RAM management. That's a kind of big question mark at this moment. Let's see how many games both phones can actually store in the background as a RAM management. And a Subway Surf, and here's a Battlegrounds mobile game. So till 5 games, no issues. 5 games, there should not be any kind of problem because basically they are small games. And only Battlegrounds mobile game is the big game. So let's see the Play Store, which will show exactly as it is without even getting refreshed fast. 1, 2, and 3. Both phones took same amount of time in terms of the refresh. I mean, it did not get reloaded, nothing, but it took some time, not instant reaction. So next is the touch sampling rate. Which phone can actually store these lines in the background? RAM management, touch sampling rate application. Let's see 1, 2, and 3. Both phones are not there in the background RAM management. So both phones are completely kind of close to equal in terms of the RAM management friends. So we can expect definitely similar kind of results. Nothing much huge difference in terms of the RAM management. 1, 2, and let's see this phone. Which phone can actually stay in the background? Both phones went to the home screen, but the Realme X1 Max was there in the mobiles. If you look, this OnePlus Nord 2 went to the home screen. That's a one small change, but not a huge, but just a small. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick speed test and the RAM management test comparison between these both phones after the recent update 8.19 update in the Realme X1 Max. So this is a quick review, and in case if you want me to upload any other reviews or basically let me know in the comments below, definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible on your request. And next upcoming videos I'll take you to the side-by-side comparison with iQOO Z5 as well. And follow my gaming channel, which I did create recently, friends. The gaming channel will be useful for most of the users who are actually interested in the gaming videos. So I thought of creating gaming channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.